we're very moved, we're very overwhelmed by the outpouring of support. We're speechless. I mean,
Yeah.
really, to think that so many people gave of their time and their effort. It's hard to put into words really how it feels. And I'm just the wife of the great nephew, but
The better half.
just the whole emotional roller coaster of the whole thing, and just the feeling of being an American and patriotic feeling is just it's just amazing to know that we're doing this, that the military, the people that gave of themselves are coming home, and it's just a nice way to close to see what happened.
I think it brings a lot of memories back. Of us here today were veterans, and we all have memories of the activities that we were involved in over the years, and I'm very proud to be part of it. It's quite an honor for the family, I think, to have that memory and everything close. And so I was glad I could come down and be part of it.